Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's October 5th, Wednesday morning. News continues to be negative, or considered as negative, but the bottom line is markets are higher here this morning. First of all, the news, Bernanke's comments yesterday didn't give us much hope. It just stated that we are in a serious situation and we need to do something about it, especially Washington needs to do something about it. Italy debt was downgraded yesterday afternoon, 3 notches. The Dexia Bank, the French-Belgian bank that is been talked about being in trouble here for the last few days. The EU is considering taking the bad assets and moving them into a so-called bad bank, which will give Dexia the ability to continue to operate. We have non-farm payroll numbers out on Friday. Trade's going to be watching that very closely. Also, in the fundamental picture, analyst yields that are coming out here as a estimate of what they expect yields to be on the USDA report next week are all coming in a bit higher than they were last month in their own estimates. We haven't got an average yet to give you, but it looks like yields are a little better, certainly in the north. However, southern Illinois, central Illinois, and Indiana is probably a little less in yield in both corn and soybeans. The weather forecast, there's rain in the forecast for the southern plains this weekend. Also, Ukraine, Brazil, and Argentina are expected to get some rain here within the next 5 to 7 days, which could and normally would put some pressure on the wheat market. We've got China still on holiday here through the weekend. That doesn't mean that they're not in buying and watching the markets. It just means that we're not getting any announcements of any sales during this period of time. We've got the dollar down sharply here this morning. That's given commodity traders a reason to short cover, and it appears like that might be all it is at this point in time. It's going to take a couple days of stronger closes and stronger markets in order to convince the trade that this market lows are in and that we're ready to go up here for a while. Crude oil has rallied $2 here overnight, and that is another reason for corn, soybeans, bean oil, especially to show some strength here in the overnight markets. Right now we've got some technical resistance in the Dees corn around the $6 area. Certainly a psychological point to get through. A close above that would consider to be friendly and something to watch for here today. In the livestock trade, cutout values were slightly changed yesterday, up just very little. Futures were under pressure yesterday. Today we've got a strong overnight electronic trade in the cattle and hogs, up nearly $1 in both sectors. And a lot of that support is coming off of the Obama administration presenting 3 new trade pacts to Congress for approval. That, especially the South Korea one, would support demand for pork and beef, and I think that's a big reason for this strength here today. And also the combination of a risk-on type attitude or profit-taking type attitude that we're seeing here this morning from the short covering, from the extremely oversold conditions. Although livestock, when you look at the charts there, we're near the upper end of the trading range, and another sharply higher day today could activate additional buy stops and take us even further. The seasonal patterns, however, in pork is that we could and should sell off here through the month of October. So we're starting to see some conflicts there where seasonally we work lower into the end of October, and yet we're making some new highs of the move here in the nearby hog contract. So monitor that very closely. That could give us a change in direction, and we could have a sharp change there any day. So I'd say stay in touch with your Allendale representative. Give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We also have got our conference coming up in January, and we've got some great speakers this year, and looking for a good crowd. So check out the details on the website, and if you got any questions on that, give us a call. We'd like to get you signed up as early as possible. So we wish everybody a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.